Ready to boost your gaming? Let's install your Nvidia graphics card. Open your new Nvidia graphics cards box and get your tools ready. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap recommended, and your computer case. Turn off your computer and unplug the power cord. Double check the power supplies, which open your computer case. Find the PCIe slot. It's usually the longest slot on your motherboard. Remove the metal bracket from the back of your case for the PCIe slot. Keep the screw for securing your card later. Carefully align your Nvidia graphics card with the PCIe slot. Press down firmly until it clicks securely into place. If your graphics card needs power, connect the right power cables from your power supply. These are often 6 or 8 pin connectors. Close your computer case and plug in the power cord. Connect your display cable HDMI or DisplayPort to your graphics card. Turn on your computer. Windows should detect the new hardware. Go to the Nvidia website and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Install the drivers following the instructions. Access the Nvidia control panel to customize settings and optimize games to check performance. Enjoy your improved gaming.